Hey guys, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some awesome news to share with you guys. As of Saturday, I celebrated 2 years of having my YouTube channel. Now, within these past 2 years, I honestly never thought that when I started, all of these people would take a 17-year-old guy cooking traditional Guyanese food seriously. But you guys really did, because the channel has blown up amazingly since then. So I just want to thank all of you guys, my subscribers, my viewers. You guys are amazing people. Some of you guys I don't even know, but you talk so highly of my channel, are always sharing my videos. And to be honest, when I see you guys making all of my recipes and showing me pictures on Instagram and Facebook, it warms my heart and it makes my day. That's exactly what I wanted to showcase on my channel. My family's amazing traditional dishes that I grew up eating, our customs, our rituals, all the good times we share. I want to show you guys all of these amazing things because that's what I wanted to do when I first started this channel. So once again, a big thank you goes out to you guys, because without you all by my side watching the channel, what is the YouTube channel really? I could have the recipes, but I need people to watch them. So thank you guys for that. To my awesome family, my mom, my dad, my aunties, everybody, thank you guys so much for participating in my channel, letting me record you guys when you don't want to be recorded. But yeah, thank you everyone for the love, the support. I could keep going on and on, but I'm gonna leave it. Since it's been 2 years on my channel, I want to do something a little different, and I'm gonna need you guys' help. So I want to go ahead and purchase some new equipment like a camera and some other things to go ahead and give you guys better quality and better content videos. Now with that, I'm going to need to buy some stuff, and that's going to require some money. So I will be linking my PayPal down below. If any of you guys would like to donate anything, just any amount, it does not matter. No matter how small, no matter how big, I would greatly appreciate it. It would go to me getting new things so I could give you guys the best of the best. That's always what I strive to do, because I really feel like you guys deserve it. And what's the point of me putting out a video that's not something that I'm proud of? So if you guys would like to donate anything, the PayPal is in the description box down below. You're going to see the description box. All you got to do is click on it. It's going to drop down. You're going to see the link. You click on it and you just follow those steps. So I also want to mention that do not feel obligated if you cannot donate anything. Just your views, just your subscription to my channel. That's really what makes my day and warms my heart. But of course, I'm living on a college budget. I need a little help. So in order for me to get this equipment, that would be greatly appreciated. So once again, to all of you, thank you for all of the love. Thank you for all of the support. I'm going to leave it at that today. You know what to do. You know the drill. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that red subscribe button. Click the bell. You can see when I post my newest videos, and I cannot wait to share some new stuff with you guys. I have some new and exciting recipes, some family vlogs, and possibly some little traveling trips coming up. So you guys are really in for some good stuff on my channel. Of course, give this video a thumbs up. Give all of my other videos a nice big thumbs up. And of course, leave those beautiful comments down below. I love seeing you guys comment, giving me new ideas, and wish me a happy 2 years on YouTube. And of course, if you guys want to donate anything, click that description box. You'll see the link to the PayPal, and you can donate anything that you would like, no matter how small, no matter how big. So I want to thank you guys once again. I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm really excited for what's coming up next. Have a great day. Bye, guys.